I'm here at Adventure Island today in Southend-on-sea. It's been a park I wanted to get to for ages. It's got Rage behind me, which is the main reason why I wanted to get here. There's a couple of cool drop towers, a lot of roller coasters here that I want to get on. It's like 5 coasters in such a small park. Had a little walk around, it's really quite nice. Paid £25 for our wristband, so we can get on everything we wanted to today. We did pay an extra £5 to get on the dodgems because I love good dodgems. See Rage going behind us. And our first coaster of the day is going to be Rage, which is of course the last Eurofighter that I need to get onto this year. I managed to get on Saw the Ride, I managed to get on Speed at Oakwood, and the last one I need to get on is this. So I'll catch you after Rage and let you know what I think. So, I've just ridden Rage. What a coaster that is! It was, yeah, it's really good. It's a short layout, but it definitely packs a lot of punch. I don't know if I'll put it up there with Speed and Saw, because like, I think the Saw layouts have got a bit of a punch, and Speed absolutely flies around the layout. But you know what? That loop, I'm pointing it, I think. Yeah, that loop's solid, and the yeah, it's a cracking little layout. I don't really know what there is here, as it's my first time at the park. I'm really excited to be here. I think that's the KMG drop tower though. We're definitely gonna be checking that out. Probably doing that next. Yeah, we're gonna go do the drop tower next. So I'll catch you after that. So I just got off of the shot tower that you see behind me. There's a little shot and drop. A little weak, I'll be honest. I don't know, it was just a bit not as punchy as the ones I've done before. I think Apocalypse at Drake Manor may have ruined me for drop towers, because that was best in the country. Need to compare that to Cliffhanger later on. I'm going to go check out some more this side of the park, because there's a coaster that we got on, I think it's called Green Screen. And there's a couple of the flats that I've seen that look just wild. I think one's called Time Machine. It spins you around and like elevates you. Like an Enterprise wheel, but we're sat on like back, which looks really interesting. I've seen an Extreme somewhere about as well, so definitely go check out those two. But yeah, I'll catch you after I've done some more this side of the park. So I have completely done one end of the park, apart from the flat rides, which I wasn't really too feeling because they're very spinny. And if you've watched my thought part vlog from earlier this year, spinny rides and me are not the best ones to put together. If I feel a bit up to it later, I'm going to go do check out Time Machine and Vortex. Time Machine looks mental, but we got on Rage. Rage was fantastic over there. We got on to the drop tower, which I think is KMG. Like, as a recap, I thought that was a little bit weaker than other drop towers and shot towers I've been on. But then we got on to Spooksville, which is a fantastic little dark ride. It's a great little ride. Then we got on to the Wave Swinger and then green screen. So we've got a +2 on that side of the park. Green screen was good. If you sit towards the back of that massive train, you get some of the forces. We've come up to the other end of the park now. It seems they're getting a new ride ready soon. The go-karts over here, the dodgems. This thing is over here, which looks like a frisbee on crazy frisbee. Here to get a +3 on this side. There's the Mighty Mini Mega, which is a Pinfari, which Pinfaris are notorious. And there's 2 little smaller coasters we're going to do. So I'll catch you after we get off of the Pinfari. So you join me after a ride on the Mighty Mini Mega, which is the Pinfari, and the Barnstorm, which is the another one of the Zero Tiroli rides we've got here. Barnstorm was alright, it's a crack kiddie coaster at the end of the day, but it's number 97 for me now. I'm about to go get number 98. Mighty Mini Mega, which is number 96. So it's similar to the Creeper Crawler one at Oakwood, but it's got black bars instead of all the shoulder restraints, which makes it like really like, doesn't make it amazing, but makes it good, like makes it enjoyable. And I got like a little pop of airtime on the layout. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. About to go get credit number 99, which is the kiddie coaster. But yeah, catch you after kiddie coaster. I've done it. I've gone and got number 99. So I went to ride the kiddie coaster, but yeah, we got credit number 99 out of the way. That's all the coasters here done. Good luck at doing trying some of the food out and getting the go-karts and the dodgems. These are an extra £5, so a little heads up on that if you're going to come to the park. The wristband cost me 25, so in total it would be about 35 quid for the day. There is a heavy discount though if you book online, so it would have cost me about 20 quid for the ticket. However, this is an impromptu trip to Adventureland Island today. Yeah, so we're going to go check out some of the stuff on the inside, grab some food, and then come back and do Axis, dodgems, and the go-karts. You join me after a ride on the go-karts, the dodgems, and a ride on Axis. And I had some food as well. The food options was okay. I had a chicken burger, but the options were quite limited. But it's so much you can get from like the seaside food, you know, like park offerings of food. Axis, I'm never doing those again. It was a good ride for like what that kind of ride type is. However, for me, Yeah, it's not my kind of ride. The go-karts were cool, although I lost power on mine and the engine cut out. And the dodgems were alright. It's a shame that they're both behind like a pay upgrade. So the dodgems are an extra £4 and the go-karts are an extra £5, which is quite a lot for both attractions. I don't really think the go-karts were quite worth it, to be honest, but the amount of laps that we got. But we did it. It was I enjoyed it at the time. Gonna be finishing the day on Rage, which, if I'm gonna be honest, I think Rage is the best thing here. It's a cracking coaster. Some of the other flat rides and stuff are really good, and some of the coasters are really nice. But yeah, I think Rage is definitely the best thing here. So we'll catch you after, hopefully, a couple of rides on Rage. And that's everything for my day here at Adventure Island. It's been a decent day actually. I've had a good time. Managed to get our second ride on Rage. In truth, this is what you come for. Rage is a fantastic coaster. I strongly recommend coming down for it. All the other coasters are good. They've got a lot of Tivolis, and Mighty Mini Mega has actually been one of the most surprises, because usually Pinfaris are rough and that one's alright. If you're going to come down, I strongly recommend you book online, because there's a big discount. But yeah, please let me know what your favourite thing is at Adventure Island. If you've ridden Rage and what you thought about it in the comments below. And if you did enjoy the video and want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time. Bye bye.